we're making a Father's Day special. It's a Caribbean favourite, the Guinness Punch.
I know you say your granddad, your dad, your uncle has definitely had this drink in their time.
If they haven't, they'll love it.
Start off with the Guinness, guys. So 2 bottles of 325ml. Vanilla drink. You can use Nourishment or Enrich. Then next, carnation milk.
Add the lovely thickness to your Guinness Punch and a lovely sweetness to it as well.
Cinnamon and nutmeg. Just sprinkle a bit on top.
Got the vanilla extract. Probably about half a teaspoon.
Yeah, so we're gonna add another Guinness actually because we need to fill it up. So you say it's Father's Day, that. So.
Now guys, just gonna stir it from the bottom.
Treat your father, your uncle, your granddad with some Guinness Punch.
You'll love it.
Cheers,
absolutely
man.
Love it.
Have a good day.
Cheers.